I want to big up to everybody that still got it locked this way. If you just joining us, welcome to the show. We call this the Upnlive show. We do this each and every Tuesday, right here, live on TGM Radio. Remember, the show is sponsored by Shush Prince, by Vast Prince, and we're produced by World Mag Entertainment. We're live here, live from the UK. It's approximately 7 minutes past 10. And we have a very, very special guest inside the studio. It's not the king, but it's the prince. And who is he? The Fresh Prince of Harsden is in the building. Shellington High Road is in the building this evening. Welcome to the show.
I'm here, brother.
Welcome, brother. Welcome.
Listen. We're there. We're outside.
Finally.
We all about.
Finally. you know long?
Yes.
May I fly out? Oh, I'm busy. But thank you
I
for
know.
accepting the
You know the
invitation.
thing go, man.
Yeah. You're putting in the hard work, which we
I'm
appreciate.
working hard, you get me, so.
How has Big Zeeks, how have you been? What have you been up to? Chat to us.
I've been better, you know.
Better?
Yeah, better. I've been better as in, like, I got life.
Yeah.
I'm happy.
You're happy. Up on the Instagram, up on the Snappy.
You see me?
I remember the song.
Everything's going well right now, you know. Everything's like the word progression. That's what I believe in, you know.
Yeah.
You feel me? Like, progression is everything. So, you know, from, as I said, this record here you're playing right now. I see, you know, we're in July right now. It marks 3 years I've been an artist.
Really?
Like a proper recording
Proper.
artist. Seriously,
And how has the journey been for you?
It's been amazing. I've seen so much. I've done a lot more than a lot of artists that's been in the business that I haven't gone and seen yet or been through yet. But I've been through a lot. But it's good because, you know, it's all about learning. Cause the music, it's all about the business. There's a lot of work behind. A lot of people don't realize it's easy to make the music, but when it's working the record and you get me pushing it out and putting the work, a lot of work that goes in behind, and that's when the stressful pieces and bobs can, you know what I mean,
can take a toll.
Yeah.
So tell us, why is it that you chose music, or was it that music chose you?
Yeah, music chose me from a young man. Obviously, like my father's a sound man. Obviously, I started DJing when I was 11, and got my first radio show when I was 13. Played in my first dance when I was 13. Got a sound called called Strikeforce Sound with Big Strike. Got a sound system. Shout out Triple S Audio. That's Godfather Steely, Big Strike himself. Big sound system. We're in Carnival every year as well, Bosworth Road. So it's like I'm a sound entrepreneur, to be fair. So it's like when it comes to the artist side of it, this is like a new chapter for me. It's a new road. So not a road that I don't know about, because I recorded a song 2009, Never There Far, which blew up. It brought me a few places around the world. But I never take the music serious because DJing is my passion. Like, you know, when you get in the dance and you want to control the dance and shell the place, and you understand, it's like that's man's thing from a youth man growing up. So evolving to an artist now, it's like Gappy Ranks and Diggy themselves. Those are the two brothers that.
Hey, big up Gappy. You know much artists come through and big up Gappy.
Now come on, if you don't big up Gappy, it don't make no sense. It that you like you gotta put respect on Gappy's name.
Big up Gappy Ranks.
You see me? He's the reggae king, UK reggae king. He's been everywhere in the world. He's shown man how to do it. And you understand, he's a man that's come from Harsden just like me. So it's like I look at him. I don't have to look at no other artists as much as I watch the business and play other artists when I'm DJing and all these things. But it's like inspiration wise as an artist, that's the only artist I really have to look at, cause I've seen him make 10 songs in about 2 hours.
Wicked.
You see me? Gappy's sick like that. So God bless Gappy, and you get me, he's getting better and better by the day, and you see me, God bless him. I just can't wait to see him get back on the stage. But yeah, man, check out his new single as well, Too Much Any, out right now. The remix.
Plug it, which will just drop.
Come on.
Just.
Shout my brother Style as well.
Just play.
Big things. Those are my next. That's the next brother as well. You got to look at, cause he's flying the flag nicely, and it's like.
Yeah, and big ups. You know why me respect Styler? Because remember what one thing they got when everybody that try to bash him on a shoot out.
Yeah, but listen, this is the thing. I was with him. Listen, I flew to Yard. We was like, get me, and we reasoned and that touchdown.
Yeah.
You get me? I heard touchdown before anyone, but it was half done.
Yeah.
You see me? I was in his yard. You see me? I stayed at his yard. Shout Biggie. You see me?
Yeah.
Shout Biggie. You see me? Shout the whole the Spanish Town Olmsted family. You see me? But it's like
Big up Spanish Town.
It's a thing where it's like I always show them. It's like sometimes it's how you come across. People can get at you. People's got a foot to stand on, but everything he said, I stood by him. Cause I'm a man, you know. I would turn around and say I'm the definition of UK dancehall. The youth being born here in the UK, but both my parents are Jamaican. My father's from Clarendon, my mum's from St. Elizabeth. You see me? Spiritual, R.I.P. mummy, you see me? So it's like growing up, sticking to my roots, coming to the music. That's why I claim UK dancehall, claim reggae music. Huh? It's not all I know, but I know all music, but it's like, it's my thing, it's who I am as a person, and it's like me bringing my personality onto the music. That's all I wanted to do from the get-go. You know what I mean? 'Cause I'm a happy you, I'm a vibes you, and it's just bringing the personality. I don't care about the views, never cared about the number. I've never cared about that. All I wanted to do is put good music back in the playlist, and been achieving that. And it's been, cause as I said, it's been progressive, innit? Shout out my full team as well, you get me? Shell and Hyro, this is a label. You see me? Shell and Hyro, this look, put it this way, it's a label. We put it, it's a music hub, you get me? But Shell and Hyro is the thing, it's built around myself, Matt Tynes, Diggy Hustle, and Indy. There's 5 of us, you understand? Yeah? Shout G, shout Aiden, you get me? But it's like, it's a thing where we deal with unity. You see me? Unity is everything. It's like Shell and Hyro shows unity. You see me? Yeah, so and that's what it represents, and that's what that's the kind of message we're pushing out to the world. Cause we all pour energy into each other. We're not for ourselves. And in this music business, everyone wants to be number one. Yes. This is why, especially dance or reggae, this is where we get the failure. But it's like we're not together and we're not pushing this thing like how we're supposed to be, like how we should be.
Because you're the man for forefront. We can say you a few other style obviously. Are going with that thing. What can you both do to steer? Because to be honest, UK not really in as a bad position.
Do you know between?
I think there's a lot of unity here.
100%. And me and Stylo G show that. But obviously, I took a break in it. I didn't even want to do music again. I got that towards the end of the last year. You get me? Anxiety took me, and you get me? I'm a man. I can drop things out like that. You see me? That's why I stay far from people. But it's like, I meds, you get me? I went yard, I re-meds, I came back and I said, you know what, man? Nah, man. Let me pattern up. I had this record from before touchdown. Do you get me? Before touchdown, this record was put down from Happy. I was like 2 years old before I dropped it. Do you get it? Like I said, the song's old. Do you get me? Shout Fanatics as well. C.Draw, you get me? Full team. But it's a thing where it's like, I thought for the beginning of the year, let me kick it off right. Big Zeeks, Stylo G, UK dancehall. Like, we're just showing a message. You get me? Like, look, we're far within, it can be done. And the fact that I got a remix and got a legend like D-double-E on it got me my first 1 million views on my own channel as well.
Nice.
Do you get it?
Alright.
Nice.
And that me not gonna lead to that point. You see what me not do? When me attacking? Sorry, me know me attacking.
No man, everything good in the dark. You know, with the on the radio, you know, I'm well professional, you know. You see me?
Well, reason. I like what you do with your own channel. Cause you know what? Me feel enough of the artists them miss the point.
A lot of men are afraid. A lot of men just worry about numbers, and they worry about people. Man like me, I don't business, brother. I don't care. I want the people to. I'd rather 10,000 real views than 100,000 fake. You see what I'm trying to say to you? So it's a thing where when man's putting in the work ethic, it's like if the song's right, if people's gonna take to it, they're gonna take to it. I put out 100 songs. If they're gonna take to the 10, take to the 10. You see me? Cause it just takes one song, you know. Just takes one song, brother.
On that note, you've been doing music professionally for 3 years. What has been your lowest point in your music career?
Lowest, to be fair, I'll be selfish to say if there wasn't, if there was a lowest. Cause it's been nothing but joy. It's been an amazing journey so far. The journey's been like absolutely amazing. Listen, I've gone on. Let me kick it back. Let's go to 2017. I did All White, my first performance in Jamaica. This is when I said, look, if I go Jamaica and Shell, Yard,
you can do it anywhere.
I know I'm meant for this. I went Yard and it went off.
Good.
Crazy. Yeah? That set pace for me. I even went back to Jamaica later on that year in November to do a dance. Girl Farm. Shout out my brother Alton. You see me? We got the whole of Trelawney. Shell it as well. You see me? But I went Dubai. That whole year I went Dubai. I went Portugal. I went Turkey.
Places, in essence.
I went like, and it's a lot of money. It took me a lot of places where I've never been.
Right.
And like it shows me that music can bring you to some crazy places. I've been on tour with Cranium. I've been on tour with Western. Like, well as man's doing like the ghetto dances like the man that were flying the artists from yard. They were still doing them. I supported Raging King. I supported Governor. You get me? I done the Spice. I done Dex the Daps. I done Shensia. I've done so much shows.
Right.
And it's like raw. In 3 years so far, it's like I've done bare things, and you know what? It's mad. I'm getting PRS checks. I'm getting streaming money. It's like I'm learning things. So it's like it's a journey. So I'll probably say my lowest point is when I probably wanted to quit it, like just towards the end of the last year, and that's only because of personal reasons.
Okay.
Do you get me?
Yeah.
And I don't really want to even get into
that. You don't have to. That's not a problem. You don't have to.
But yeah, everything's been a joy so far. So all I can say is thank God, and I just pray every day and every night for just more health, just to
continue
keep pushing
and carry
it out.
on. No
and
worries.
There's loads of stuff forwarding, man. I promise you, everyone just got to stay tuned, stay looking, stay supporting, because we're never going to switch. Everything's going to be the way how it has been. You get me? Vibey, positive, real,
nice.
TTT, talk the truth.
and many persons would have, everybody who is on the stream, where's my camera? Right. Would have seen me doing, what's this? You would have called this a triangle? Or a pyramid? Whatever. So we were provided with an energy drink called
Zoop Up. Yeah, shout Diggy, shout
served
G.
chilled, and it's carbonated.
Yeah.
What the bloody hell is Zoop Up?
Well, basically, you know Red Bull?
Yes,
yeah,
I do know Red Bull.
There you go in this. It's like
it's the sister version of Red Bull.
We're dropping Red Bull. We've dropped Red Bull out anyway. You get me?
So we're pushing out Red Bull and bringing up.
But first we went for Boost. We kick off Boost. You see me?
Zoop Up, man.
We went for Boost first.
We went for Boost.
And we just kicked them off. We
kick them off and we
slap them where.
Zoop them up.
Now I go for Red Bull.
So is this your drink? Tell us about.
Put it this way. Shout out Diggy. Shout out Gigi. That's road management. That's my manager.
Yeah.
You know? So it's like it's the man them's product.
Yeah.
And it's a thing where it's like me, I'm so real. Let me tell you what it is. I'm so real. Like man will see me wear Benja, for example.
I wanna feel like
yeah, Zoop Up, man. Shout out to you, man. Like man will see me wear Benja. You'll see me wear a lot of like rich badness clothing. Like, that those are just like these are young black brothers
that you're supporting.
That I know that are doing something positive, trying to make a change for their families and themselves. It's like a man's making a clothing line, like, and for a man to make a drink, it's like you don't get that.
Sure.
Do
you
know
know
what I mean?
Community.
So a man like Diggy, he's a man that'll think out the box. He'll phone me every day and be like, yo, blood, you should do this. And like his mind, sometimes it's
full
too mad for me. You get me? It's like it's too mad. It's all too much. I can't take too much in more time. You see me? So it's like, yo, go easy. But on the better note, as I say, it's a positive thing, and man only love pushing positivity.
And that is what we're pushing for 2019.
And what we've been pushing that forever.
From ever since, but we're going to continue pushing it for 2019.
Yeah, 100%. So long as we're there on this living earth, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But yeah, man, just everyone go and follow the thing, support it.
So
the website,
it's on the market.
Online. Yeah, www.zoopupenergy.com.
We're plugging in now, so talk to the people in the camera. Plug in.
Go
make sure
go buy that.
Buy the Zoop.
Go buy the Zoop Up. Go pattern up. Zoop Up, man.
Alright.
I think he was able to say Zoop Up, man. It's a saying, it's like, you know, like, get up, man.
Yeah.
So it's man saying, like, look at it on a can, it just looks so pretty. Like, look at it, like, you get me? That's a man talk, man.
There we go.
What's next for Big Zeeks? Any
performances, new music.
There's always so busy, I can't remember everything, but
tell us where we can find
do you know what? I'm on a big festival, Bestival. Boomtown Festival.
Big up Boomtown,
yeah,
yes.
I'm on Boomtown Saturday the 10th of August.
Good.
Big up Bag Juice, I'm going to be at his party on the 9th of August. You get me? So over the south side. There's so
loads
much
of stuff.
I just can't even think, but everyone go follow the Big Zeeks updates on Instagram. Go follow me.
_ Big
Zeeks updates. Yeah.
Updates.
You see that the updates page? That's where you can see everything.
Cool.
Not hide from nobody now. We all chill without fear.
Without fear.
Time.
See it.
You understand?
Yeah, what go on?
Man nearly deaf me.
People, if you don't see Big Zeeks in the streets and you see them on Big Zeeks show them, and more time if you follow him on Instagram and just go on with a bag of things.
Yeah.
So yo,
what type of bag of things? Yeah.
No.
Yeah. What type of bag of things? More want him pinpoint one couple of bag of things, man.
Well,
we're gonna talk,
and we're gonna put it on the spot now.
What we say bag of things musically.
Okay.
Yeah, come here spit some bars, and put up some video. And you drop some things there.
You see that, Rambo? They set me up.
So because you're on the Upnlive show, and this is how we do it every week, everybody who comes into our stage, into our platform, is put on the spot. This is a time where you spit bars, and the people them tell me if them like it.
Selector, let's make sure you read them proper.
Listen, a DJ Rick from the Dream Team, so it shall be okay.
Make sure they read them proper, man.
We are gonna change it a little bit, yeah?
Outside.
Because
Michelle anything, you know. Shell it on iron.
No, listen to me, listen to me good. Because I hear Big Z shell everything. So here one now, I gotta go
search
somewhere far overseas. I go way over one part and forward back. Ready? Press play over here. So ready up. This is Big Zeeks right here, live Shellington High Street, live inside the building. This is the Upnlive show. This is called Freestyle. Let's go.
Yo. It's the Fresh Prince of Austin. Yo, let's say you're gone. Check it, yo. Anyway, me go me lock it. Team move all up and don't spin the lottery. Yo, dog, me in and know. Me just met money and me never left mommy. Some boy them a move dummy. Oh, can they mix war with money? Some boy quick for buy car with money. Can't buy a yard with money like, yo, you know I love live the luxury. You can link me in Northeast, come live the luxury. Might see me boss ace and spades with my money. That's how I celebrate when I make more money. Spend big money, so I make bigger money. I'm a man of people borrow. Next man money, dog. We don't show money. We blow money. Listen, dog, listen. We don't show money. We blow money. Sell a lot of money, man. We have a lot of money. And tally your names like Carlo. It's a lot of been doing this way back just like Tatiana. Jesus, pull him. Pull it up. Let's go.
From top again, the runs. What this is the voice of Big Zeeks live inside the studio. The man's in freestyle.
Man's going to some. Mad reading. Let's go.
Comfortable, brother. Let's go again.
Warm me up, cause you know what it is.
Turn off the AC. The AC too cold.
I grade busting on the brain.
What are you doing?
You know the I grade. Short times, my brother. What we tell them? Stay smoking the eye. Look pon the red in me eye. Yo, smoking loud. If Bob Marley coulda see me clip him woulda proud. Yo, we smoke great pon the regular. Mine know you top up great pon me cellular. We smoke great pon the regular. Mine know you top up great pon me cellular. Mike say my fi check the tracking. Trinity just send 3 packing. All no customs can't pre the packet. 6 bills for a zip car, we have to make a profit. Rambo came from selling weed in the alley. Now we're selling trees from Cali. Me all grow 5 trees round grannies. Yo, all my grade deserve a Grammy. Listen, different kind of flavors, all type of herb. The weed speak for itself, me not have time for word. The weed loud, look how me proud. Come from Cali and it reach into own. Tell you about more weed. We have some iron, we have some good galore weed. Shout out Mr. Williams, more weed out right now as well, you know. Listen, let's go, man. Get me in some real rhythms, man, if you want to hear me shell, man.
No, more why you play something.
Cause you're not run nothing shelly right now, you know, dog.
Let me see if you're ready.
You're not run nothing shelly right now, you know. I just say you're gone.
Yeah, something there.
Listen, yo, look. It's the Fresh Prince of Asa. Love to stay happy, all the vibes, all the laughter. Happy from me get more life from the father, even though me lose 3 dogs pon the plaza and 2 in the Gaza. Yo, your birthday, you feel happy. Anniversary, you feel happy. Yo, New Year, you feel happy. Everything hashtag happy like yo. About to make £1 million real quick now. They calling me the Fresh Prince of Austin. Respect 5 bills, we have the whole streets talking. We met money when they in a skylarking. We met money when they in a skylarking. Yo, it's a lot of money, so the money do the talking. Made some more jealous size 9 while we're walking. My youth go so fast when they even see him crawling. Miss mommy more time, yeah, me start balling. Yo, General, just left ours and both Philippe the new General. Happy when them free all my dogs from the federal. Truly did I surf on the cart like Federer. Yo, still I look £1 million Big Zeeks, yo, Rick, it's $1 million sound. Morning time I rise, me scream happiness. You can't buy life from the habit, you feel happiest. Yo, them happy when them see me on the stage show. Them happy when them see me on the main road. Me happy from the young and I've care on. Me happy when I drop it, but they're on the air road. Yo, you understand? Mr. Hashtag happy. Happy stand tall, one ball like Pelassi. Real Rasta youth, my praise Haile Selassie. Yo, happy birthday Haile Selassie. July the 23rd, you understand? Mad move. Listen.
Stop it.
Next rhythm, let's go.
Yeah, no, you ready again? No, I'm not stop. Go on again.
Next rhythm, man. Give me something mad though. Let's go to yard, man. Then in America too.
Well, on
a flank coming. A flank coming in a dog. What?
Alright, stay up for a little bit. Make you on a yard a little bit.
Yeah. Alright, cool. Should I go old school? Let me go old school on this one. Listen, yo, check it. At 17, going college in Gucci. South gal well wonky with the coochie. Them day there, I was going citizens, buying out the bar, popping champagne like Lucci, like dog. I was 18, getting real peas. Had 2 jobs, I play out every week. Them time there, I got my iced tea. 100% boosting, cause my ex-girl bear grief. At 19, ish got crazy. Bare older girls were it to be my lady. But I was focused on the ish that pay me, dog. I never want no baby. I remember at 20, getting the money a plenty. Bank account could never be empty. Then me on the center, and still a lot of money. I was smoke on the center like yo. Give girl diamond. First she had my girl, now she had a wife, man. She give me enough love from my heart and all a child. It's a lot of money, I will make it all the while. Yo, me and a girl can't style, man. Me and a girl can't style, man. So it's a lot of money, so I will make it all the while. Next rhythm, dog.
And that's why I keep it. I keep it a foreign. Yes,
we say we not getting yard.
No, I'm not getting a yard because I see a killer like yard all the time.
Give me the next one. Give me one more. Let me just kill it.
I get one more. People. The boss want to go to the yard, but I don't really want to come to the yard.
Man don't want to bring me to my hometown, you know. Man talking big fat way, I can't, you know, and my IG ain't happy, but they give me my beer fires though. Shout out everyone in the IG live as well.
Yeah, man.
Let me give you one more though, you get me, car? You got me, see, I'm in a mode, you know. You got me in a mode right now. It's hard to switch off, but I'm gonna get ready to gear down. Yo. Alright.
That's the yard.
ID one. This one's for you, my brother. Listen, yo. It's in my shutters, re-datters, re-clappers, done day in the street, like leaf, re-grabbers, say me love my herb, love my trees, like my papa, from me light it up, me vibe up, me shell proper, love girl body, well big, it tap it fat up, watch me slap it up, what it up, put up, really hard man, round ya, me nah snack up, watch me fuck, round ya, me nah snack up, yo, top striker like me name Vardy, anywhere me go, with them need I want it, anywhere me go, only for girl that's want me, been shelling from young in a me car corny. Shellington, I was shelling every party. Me just done shell the party. Me tell them 1,000, me count 940. Every money could be very costly. I'm like, yo, when you get your money, better stack up. Yo, gotta keep your peas as a backup. Yo, we never beg no peas from the brother like, yo, dog, let me bust my peas out the rapper like, yo, let me bust my peas out the rapper. Yo, dog, let me bust my peas out the rapper like, when you make your peas, better stack up, dog. Yo, let me bust my peas out the rapper like, yo, hear me now. Watch me now. Me no want no next boy, watch me now. Me no want no next boy, watch me now. Like, hear me now, like, see it there. Money we are pre, yes, gelato, my spliff, dog, smell me now. With my booby, dog. Tell me now.
Listen me now, people. Listen me now, people.
We out here.
All here now, we don't fear. People. No, I swear to God.
I give you, you know, out of 10, I give you a 6 for your reading, car.
Gosh.
I give you a 6 for your reading, so, you know what? Yeah, don't worry. We soon forward again. I'm gonna bring the whole high road here.
Yeah.
And we're gonna make sure you understand. Yeah. But you know one fly yard. It's alright, brother.
You know I never want to get in a yard because I still kill all a yard every time. I want to have something exclusive. Because I know you have it exclusive. I know you want to go down the lane, but we just nah go down the lane.
Everything good, man.
Don't worry, we're gonna continue zooping it up.
Zoop up, man.
Zoop up.
Zoop up. Anyway, people, thank you very much for making it the Upnlive show. Big Zeeks was here. Before you go, can you just give us some socials, please?
Yeah, man. _Big Zeeks on the Instagram, Twitter. Go and follow up. You don't know. You see the Fresh Prince of Oz and verified blue tick. There's only one of me. Find me. When not hard to find. Go and subscribe and like my YouTube channel. Go and follow up my latest single, 100,000 out right now. You see me? Everyone gonna support that.
Yeah.
And yeah, man, just follow the journey, innit? Watch out. We've got a big headline show forwarding very soon, innit?
Is that the Boomtown Festival we're talking about?
Nah, my own headline show is forwarding very soon.
Very soon?
I'm just spilling.
So you're teasing us with that information?
Oh, you get me? You got that live on your show, you get me? So, you get me? Watch out for the Big Zeeks live headline show with a live band.
Your camera is right there.
Mad.
That's your camera.
Out here.
Yes.
Live band business we're dealing with. Real stage show business. So everyone watch out for the date. And yeah, we're out here, man.
Yeah,
Mad
nice.
moves.
So guys, that was the voice of Big Zeeks.
And let me show Insta your face as well. They're just hearing your voice. See your face, man.
Hi guys.
Watch out, man.
So So we want to thank you for passing through the Upnlive show. You know,
appreciate it. Thanks for having me, man.
No worries. As per usual, you know, we'll follow the journey. Ever since that birthday party,